Hi guys, it's Slimy Galaxies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a two-tone pigment slime. So first you're going to get a container or bowl to make your slime in, and next you're going to add some clear glue in. And my clear glue, I used an Elmer's gallon of clear glue, and it did not have a lot of clear glue in it. And now I'm adding some water to it. Add around a fourth or a half of the amount of water to the glue, if that makes sense. And now we're going to add some pigment or paint, and I'm using paint. So the tone that you mainly want it to be, you're going to add more of that. So in this case, I'm using a sapphire blue, and I'm just mixing that up. And now you can add your other color, and I'm using silver, and you want to add around half amount of that, or just keep on adding it until it gets to that color. And I added a little bit and it didn't really do anything, so I'm just adding some more, and hopefully it'll get to your color. And in my case, it kind of looked like Cinderella's dress, which is what I was kind of looking for. And it made it really light, which I loved about it, and it was just super pretty. And that's my final color. So now you can activate it, and I activated it, and I'm kneading it right now, because especially with clear slimes, you should always knead it to get those clumps out, especially when you're using borax. And just keep on kneading it. And I added more activator because it was really sticky, but sometimes you actually don't really need to add activator. If you think it's sticky, you just have to keep on kneading. So I'm just playing with it right now, and it's getting better. The more the clumps are going away, and now I'm gonna do some ASMR. So you should add more activator, especially if you're using borax, until it is not stretchy anymore, and it's kind of hard, but not too hard, because over time it will melt and it will become even more prettier, because with all the air bubbles it turns more white, but it will be really clear later, and it will look so pretty. So I'm just mixing in some borax water now. And if you're wondering, I always use borax because I think it's the best activator, and it's the longest, I guess. It lasts the longest. So yeah. So hopefully this video helped you, and hopefully you enjoyed making the slime with me. And you can actually make a three-toned pigment slime. And please comment down below, subscribe, and like the video. Bye!